The jukebox plays that London calling sound. Your cowboy boots are scuffed, your hair teased proud. You walked in wearing fringe and faded denim dreams. A moonlit angel bathed in silver and cobalt streams. They say the heart don't lie, but mine's been skipping beats between the pedal steel and those velvet trees. Midnight on the sawdust floor, two hearts colliding, wanting something more. Worn leather boots and a restless heart, where new romantics tearing country charts apart. Your pickup truck is parked beside my Chevrolet. The Dairy Queen is closed, the stars are out to play. We talk like poets in the pouring rain, a painted portrait kind of love in Oklahoma plains. The dance hall closes, but we don't want to leave. Your hairspray holds through every step we weave. Leather jackets, rhinestones, shoulder pads so wide. In this honky-tonk romance, there's nowhere left to hide. Midnight on the sawdust floor, two hearts colliding, wanting something more. One